Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to optimize your marketing and get more out of your website analytics, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you exactly how to set up the Facebook pixel on your Webflow site for 2025. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to connect your site and start capturing valuable visitor data, super useful if you want to improve ad targeting or track what your audience is doing. So let's jump right in. First up, head over to your Webflow dashboard and open up your project. From here, we want to access the site settings. This is really your site's control panel. It's packed with all the core features and configuration options you might need. Think of it like the cockpit of your website, giving you the levers you need to tweak everything that powers your site behind the scenes. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for your website project and click into the settings. Up at the top, there should be a little gear icon labeled Site Settings. Give that a click. Alright, now that we're inside settings, you'll see all sorts of tabs along the top: hosting, SEO, forms, and more. What we want is the section labeled Apps and Integrations. Go ahead and select that one. This area houses all the special tools that can connect to your website, letting you supercharge your site's features without having to do any hard coding yourself. If you've ever played with plugins for WordPress, this is that same idea. Integrations let your site talk directly to powerful third-party tools like Facebook Pixel. Assuming you already have your Facebook Pixel ID ready, which you can grab super easily from the Events Manager inside your Facebook Business Suite, let's keep going. If you haven't created your pixel yet, hop over to your Facebook Business Suite, find Events Manager, and walk through the setup. It just takes a few minutes. If you already have your ID, great, let's use it. Now inside the Apps and Integration area, look for the integration labeled Facebook Pixel. Sometimes you'll need to scroll a bit, but it should definitely be there because it's one of the most popular integrations. When you find it, click on it, and you'll see a simple field prompting you to paste your Pixel ID. This is the unique code that links your website to your Facebook account, kind of like how a phone number connects your contact to their SIM card. Just copy your Pixel ID from Facebook, paste it into the field, and save your changes. And honestly, that's it. You don't need to mess around with copying codes or embedding anything manually. Webflow makes this process super streamlined. It might take a few minutes for everything to sync up, so don't worry if you don't see instant data flooding in right away. Give it a little time, refresh your Events Manager back in Facebook, and you should start seeing activity as visitors land on your site. So you've successfully connected your Facebook pixel to your Webflow site. Now Facebook can help you keep track of your visitors, understand what's working, and guide smarter marketing decisions, whether you're running ads or just want to get to know your audience a little better. Alright, that wraps up this tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you got stuck on any step. I'm always happy to help out. And if you want more simple web tutorials and marketing tips, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.